Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Coco. We're in my living room. Milo is here to keep us company. Let me move him over so y'all can see him. How Milo's part of the video. That's all he does all day. So today's video, we are doing March Boxycharm. My favorite part of the month. It's the March Boxy Luxe. Yes, if you don't know what Boxy Luxe is it's like an upgrade to your Boxycharm. So if you already have Boxycharm, like the regular basic Boxycharm, if you add on a Boxy Luxe, every third Boxycharm you get, it's gonna be a Boxy Luxe instead. And it's this huge box. And it's filled with wonderful surprises and miracles. Well, I'm gonna get something to open this up first. Okay, we're ready. Let me open this. I'm so excited. I just got it like yesterday. And I almost opened it and I said, fuck y'all. I ain't telling y'all nothing. But, oh my God, look at this. I love it. It's like Christmas. We're gonna read this later. Oh my God. I just love this part of the book. Ooh, bitch. Oh my God. I got a whole new face cleansing device. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Oh my God, guys. You know how I love me some skincare. I can't afford skincare, so the only time I get skincare like for real is if I go to TJ Maxx and get them deals, or if I get that shit in my Boxycharm. So this retails for $99. Guys, $99. I literally pay less than that for 3 months worth of Boxycharm. All right, so next thing I got is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. This is this for your face or your body? Oh no, it's a body cream. In an instant rush of hydration for visible, luscious skin and lasting moisture. So I'm guessing this is like a travel size one, but it looks like that. Ooh, girl. You know what this smells like? It smells like those coconut cookies. Oh my God, it smells so good. Like those coconut sugar cookies. That's what it smells like. And that retails for $15. Next is, holy shit, bro. They gave me a curling iron. What? This is the Sutra Beauty 19mm 0.75-inch mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. They gave me a fucking curling iron. Oh my God, girl. Yo, that's what's up. And you know what? I've been curling my hair like this and I've been digging it. And the curling iron I have is like, the stick is so freaking long. I tend to burn myself. So, oh look at how cute. It's so cute. It's so little. This is perfect for me. It's so little. Ooh. What the hell? Milo really just fucking love. All right. This retails for $50, girl. Next thing we got here. Oh, there's another Brazilian Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, fast absorbing body cream. Okay, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Okay, so this one's like for your butt, I'm assuming. Oh, this one smells so good. This one smells like a body mist I would buy. And this one retails, oh, it's a duo. Okay, okay. So these two together retail for $15. Oh, wait. This is the DEBORAH LIPPMANN Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop Feeling. So these are two nail polishes. Okay, you can never like not have nail polish, so let me use this hand because my other nail broke. I feel like I always have a broken nail. Like, it never fails. But I do hair, so my nails break all the time. So what can you do? What can you do? Oh, we got the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Get Up Stand Up. Ooh. I don't think I've ever had NARS in a Boxycharm, at least as long as I've had it. Oh, this is cute. Look at it. Ooh. It's a lip pigment. I don't know if this is like a liquid lipstick that dries down. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is a nice color. Look at that. It has like a soft vanilla scent. Oh, and this retails for $25. Next, we have the Elizabeth MOTT Smooth Shadow. This is, what is this? Oh, cream eye pencil. Oh, nice. And you can sharpen it. This is in the color Pearl. Oh, Raven and, what? Raven? Raven and Pearl or Raven Pearl? I'm confused. Oh, it's two of them. Okay. One is in Raven. This is, ooh, this is nice. It's like a black with glitter in it. And then Pearl is, I guess, the name. Pearl. Looks like that. Retails for $40. Damn. $40. Oh, and we have an Appeal Gel Liner in the color Fancy. Looks like that. And then finally, what is this? Oh, we have an actual Boxycharm palette. It says, Hello Charmer. It's so cute. Oh my god. I like this. I like this a lot.
I like it a lot.
I like palettes that have neutral and colorful like eyeshadows, and this is like the perfect mix. Like, look at that, guys. I have to do a live swatch. Let's do it right here. What? Oh my gosh. Barbie vibes as fuck. Oh my gosh. And that color is called Swipe Up. Ooh, I'm gonna try the color Full Size. I'm just gonna try a few on my hand. Those colors. That is so cute. Like, this one is totally remind me of Trophy Wife, but they're so nice. Those are the colors that stood out to me. My favorite item that I got today was definitely, actually my two favorite items that I got today was definitely my P&D cleansing device and my new Sutra curling iron. I'm so excited to use these. Y'all gonna see these items in future videos. Y'all already know skincare, hair, whatever the fuck I gotta do. But let me tell you, if you don't have Boxycharm, I don't know where you at. Where you at, girl? Where you at? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I upload every other day. And you know, I think I'm doing pretty well, girl. I'm doing pretty well. Don't mind my broken nail. I'm doing pretty well. I'm uploading every other day, bitch. I'm being consistent. I'm adulting and shit. Like, I don't have a fucking code for Boxycharm. I wish I did. But, yeah, I pay like full price for this, so I don't know what to tell you. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for letting me show you what I got this month on Boxycharm. I have a lot of fun making these videos, and I hope you have a lot of fun watching them. I really do appreciate the people who watch my videos and who actually take the time out of their day to tune in and, you know, follow me on my my journey, I guess. Help me get to 60 subscribers. I think I need 5 more. So hopefully one day I'll be saying, help me get to 100,000. Speak it into existence, bitch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends about me, you know. Turn on those post notifications so you know when I post. I post every other day, but you know, put the notifications on so you know when I post, okay? I don't know where that accent came from, but bitch, alright. Anyways, I'll see you in 2 days, alright? Bye.